Now question number 2. The perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? They gave the perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool and its length is the dimension, the first dimension, length also given. See, length is mean they are given about the length, but they didn't give about the breadth. So let us take the breadth of the rectangle be x. They gave the perimeter of this rectangular swimming pool. So that means we need the dimensions, length and breadth. That is what they asked in the question. To find the dimension, first let's use the tips from the given question. Its length is mean they have given the length. Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. In which dimension we don't know? Breadth. So the unknown dimension let's take as x, the variable. Let the breadth of the rectangle be x. So now according to the question they gave length, is it or not? So length is 2 meter more, so plus 2, the second term, 2 meter more than twice its breadth, 2 times its breadth. Breadth is what? X. So 2 times, twice, 2 times its breadth. 2 into x, 2x plus 2. That is called length of the rectangle. Its length is, so length only we are telling children. So 2 meter more, so plus 2. This is second term, 2 meter more than twice, 2 times its breadth. Breadth is x, so 2x plus 2. So now we have in our hand length of the rectangle, breadth of the rectangle. So let's substitute these values into the formula, because what did they give? Perimeter of the rectangular swimming pool. So perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. So we are substituting this length and breadth into this. So 2 into length value 2x plus 2 plus breadth value x equal to, are we going to find the perimeter? No, they gave. So we are equating. We have written the perimeter value here. Then in the bracket, these two are like terms, 2x plus x. So add 2x plus x, 3x. Because 1x, no, 3x plus 2. So we receive the equation now, 2 into 3x plus 2 equal to 154. This is the required equation. We received equation now. Now we are going to solve the equation to get the length and breadth of the pool. So to solve this, first let's send this 2 right hand side. This 2 under multiplication. So first let's send this 2. When you send, it is becoming under division. If you send this to right hand side, the remaining left hand side 3x plus 2 equal to 154 by 2. If you simplify this, you get 77. 3x plus 2 equal to 77. Then again we are sending the plus 2 right hand side. So if you send this plus 2 right hand side, it's becoming minus 2 and left hand side remains 3x. So 3x equal to 75. What will we get? 3x equal to 75. Then again we are sending this 3 right hand side. It becomes division. So 75 by 3, the x value is 25 meter. So what is this x? Breadth. So the breadth of the rectangle is 25 meter. Then let's substitute this x value into this rectangle. What did we take? 2x plus 2, no? So length 2 into x. So 2 into 25 plus 2, 50 plus 2, 52 meter. So the length of the rectangular pool is 52 meter and the breadth of the rectangular pool is 25 meter. Now third question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 and 2/15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? The base of an isosceles triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? Any of, two sides, any of its two sides equal. See, if you take these two sides are equal, is it or not? Is it looking like this? These two sides are equal, then the non-equal side is called base. In an isosceles triangle, if you take, in an isosceles means any of its two sides are equal. So in this triangle, this side and this side equal. So if these two sides are equal, the non-equal side is called base. So now the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. So what is the length of this base, children? 4 by 3 centimeter. So what about these, the equal sides, that we don't know. So that let us take the equal side as x. See, let the length of each equal side of an isosceles triangle be x. So if this side is x, mean what about this x? Because both are equal. Then the base 4 by 3 centimeter. Now the perimeter of the triangle is given. Perimeter means what, children? Perimeter. Generally, what is the perimeter of a shape? Sum of all sides. We have to add all the sides. Generally, what is perimeter? Sum of all sides. We have formulas, but generally sum of all sides is called a perimeter of any shape. Okay. So let's see. Because we said here sum of all sides, here they have given perimeter of the triangle is. So now we are going to add, see, x plus x, that is we are adding this side x plus this side x plus 4 by 3. Then when we add, these two are like term, is it or not? X terms. So 1x plus 1x, 2x. 2x plus 4 by 3 centimeter. We have taken totally the centimeter. So now we are writing the final equation, children, because the perimeter of the triangle is, so the perimeter we found here, 2x plus 4 by 3 equal to, they gave the perimeter of triangle is what? 4 and 2 15th. Then this is mixed fraction, we are simplifying, denominator is same, 4 15s are 60, 60 plus 2 62, 62 by 15. So this is the required equation. Sum of, that is the perimeter of triangle is 4 and 2 15. So with the required equation here, now we have to simplify the equation to get the length of the remaining equal sides. So here first which value will be sent, children? This 4 by 3 we are sending first. So here plus 4 by 3, when you send this side, it is becoming minus 4 by 3, transposing. See, transposing 4 by 3 from plus to minus. So if you send this, what is the remaining left hand side? 2x. So now here how do we simplify? By LCM method. If you simplify, we are getting the answer 2x equal to 62 minus 20 by 15. Then we are simplifying 42 by 15. Again we are sending this 2. This 2 under multiplication. When you send this 2 under division, actually here they have shown here division. It can be here division mean it is it is in multiplication, you can bring it into denominator. So in under division they are showing division symbol. How do we divide the fraction, children? We keep the first value as it is, dividend as it is, then multiply by reciprocal of this. Now 2 by 1. So it becomes 1 by 2. So now once again I tell you this 2 under multiplication, when you bring here under division. So here we have right hand side 42 by 15 divided by 2. So how do you divide the fractions? We cannot divide directly. So you are keeping the dividend, the first value as it is, multiply by reciprocal of the divisor. So 2 by 1, what is the reciprocal? 1 by 2. Then you are simplifying here. When you simplify, you are getting 21 by 15. That is here if you simplify 2 ones are 2, 21 2s are 42. Then you are getting 21 by 15. Again both are divisible by 3. So when you simplify, you are getting 7 by 5. it is in mixed form, sorry, improper form, then you are changing into mixed form. Thus, the required length of each of equal side 1 and 2/5 centimeter. So, x value, this one 1 and 2/5 centimeter, 1 and 2/5 centimeter. To confirm your answer, you add all, definitely you will get 4 and 2/15 centimeter.